estimated more uploads. There's 1 hour 59 minutes. Those are the somewhere in the middle. It moved up to the top on its own accord. I just removed it because he tells me I don't have space, but he wouldn't let me record. Okay. Screenshot. What? Okay. Empty trash. So I have tons of space. Should not have a problem. Right? Let's see. So this part 5 that I just recorded. Part 5 just recorded. And as I've documented before, this folder is empty. 389 to 418. 389 to 418 has been cleaned out. This is what I see now. Okay, they've all been removed. So Luca Dalla Buona changes my computer constantly. He changes what's on it. He changes everything. No host name. Bluetooth to make this computer. That was when I first unboxed the Mac. Those are screenshots of the setup. This was ticked off, and that was not grayed out. Allowed Bluetooth was done. Oh, there's something I just received, notification, but nope. Yeah, that was the 210 screenshots I sent to myself. Just received it now. It was sent more than an hour ago, and just received it on the phone. So let me continue. Command center, evaluator, block, invoke. Yeah, there's Bluetooth. So Bluetooth, then Bluetooth 2, 3, and 4. This will not open. Finder is running at 106. And yeah, that's men and families. My profile there. Data always going to Safari networking. There's web content. This kernel task he's changed to show 00. He can change kernel task, and he can change console. Yep, 42, 13, and 3, and 3 hours 47 minutes there. All private deleted. That doesn't show anymore. Debug. Install log, as I've said, connected process before I set up the computer. And when I set up the computer on June 5th, I did not join a network, but I'm already a local host. So as I've said, many screenshots have been removed. Connecting to that, cache delete, connecting to com.apple. Okay, run diagnostic and launch D. Data is going to launch D. Unable to quit because there are connected processes in system log. That's February the 25th. Localhost. And remember, the computer was unboxed on June the 5th. February to June. That's the same old. So this is what my desktop originally looked like, something like this. Right? And my case numbers. Look at that. Chat log. So he's changed everything around. Everything has been changed. So now this one here has images only and not all the recordings that I showed before. Anyways, case number was where all my recordings were in. And they're gone. But they were here. Not here. Here. They're my recordings. 389 to 418. My recordings were there. And they're all gone. Okay, so yeah, this is what my desktop looked like before Stalker tampered. Before he removed everything. Restricted processes, bag list, disk owner disabled, restart, tons of stuff. He's removed most of them. Most of them are gone. Deleted. TM cache delete. And yeah, there's my profile picture that he removed. System log, one of the two will be used, which I've documented many times. Yeah, our data always moving. I have a network. There's parse D. Windows Server, #1 user on the Mac, because there's 100 pages behind my singular web page. See? Nope, I took a screenshot. So whenever I take a screenshot, the screenshot taken is different from the screenshot I actually took. The screenshot should have shown the date of the recording. It doesn't. It shows the date on the screen. So I had a million of those. Stalker is listening. He knows. Deleted. Yep, everything deleted. Connection, encountered error, cleaning up. State dump completed by the command center. And as I said, it doesn't show date and time. It doesn't show date anymore. Date has been removed. And somebody has been running diagnostic on my computer. Because those things, don't know how they showed up. Unable to open device, I've documented that, and data always moving. Parent unknown, which I've documented, parent unknown. It's right here somewhere. That's right, I've got two parent unknown. Okay, data always moving. It's going to launch D, trust D, and APSD when there is no visible network. Right here in the recording. That aside, deleted, cache. Safari, you have to have cloud for that one. This is, downloading Big Sur, more data coming in than leaving the Mac. Sharing D, not blocking, already connected. Half the time it does not ask for password. And these are the interface. 16, 2, 4 socket filter attached since boot. So he's removed most of the of my screenshots, as I've said, connecting to private. Yeah, QuickTime using significant energy. It would be QuickTime on Safari, but it's QuickTime now. There we go. This is at unboxing, June 6th. It's 12:30 a.m. in the morning. I am Wi-Fi connected as an active process. Okay, I just put in my password, did not connect as yet, but it's already Wi-Fi connected. And it started with hotspot. Hotspot is already ticked off at unboxing. Right there. Okay, sharing D, the connection to was invalidated. State dump of that many bytes. Sharing D is private. Private received. Successfully negotiated, 56, 55. Right? 55 client connections successfully negotiated. Incoming client for private. Incoming client. Pickups it will not show. 0, it's 0. But don't trust anything there. Okay, 3 hour 21 minutes, 3 hour 22 minutes. Safari networking. System log archive, compressed. Everything is compressed. Diagnostic summary, everything is compressed. Loaded account with account info for private, cloud. Okay, okay, delete messages. First thing at setup, the very first message is, okay, deleted messages. Okay, what's this one here? This is Carlos. Okay, IPv4 and IPv6. So multicast, group membership, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, there's Stalker. Data always moving. Oh, data moving. Big chunk. That's what it looks like now. 1,400,000 packets out already. Alright, document Bluetooth will not open. Cannot open file of this type. Really? But it's on my Mac. Delete it. Plug in this. Telling plugin that host has control. Sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Okay. Stalker listens to me carefully. So 1 hour, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, right? So he keeps removing, he keeps deleting or stop the recording, constantly stopping the recording. Cannot be unlocked. So it's a file that happens when somebody's running diagnostic on my Mac. It's on my computer, but it cannot be opened. Plugin loaded and ready for host. Successful request. All right. So like I said, he's removed dumping state by sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Dumping. There's one other file that I tried to open. They do not open. A lot of data moving when there's no visible network. Right there. 2 view bridge auxiliary. Purge, a lot of cleanup. Cleanup. Deleted. Yep, successful request. Purge cleanup volume. There we go. IPv4, IPv6. Sixteen interfaces. Got that one. So like I said, Stalker will terminate this upload, this recording as well, like he normally does. So these are the things that kernel panics. Don't know where that these things here, AUD, kernel panics, and this, they show up on my Mac under TMP constantly with filters. Core, you see, there's filters from private. All deleted. Connecting to private. All deleted. Purge. All deleted. Shared by 5 volumes. Oh, look at that. Kernel task. He could change it to not show usage. All right, administrator authorization granted. Set authorization level to root for session. Starting installation. When I'm running diagnostic, no, this is on the February the 25th. Damn, February the 25th. So when I unboxed, a lot was happening. Create temporary directory. Control manager, respond. Control manager. Connecting to private, a lot of connecting to private. Remodi. At setup on June 5th. This was June 5th. Setup. This is what it said. Login started. Couldn't determine platform type. There we go. Safari networking as usual. Parse. D. Client handler. I have a client and a handler. Client is this and my handler is that. Delete private. $15 pickups, only 3 showing. Safari using significant energy, but Safari is way down here. Kernel task is the #1 user of energy, but it's not showing up here. Okay, successfully change cache size from DB, 4 DB. Install log, I'm immediately Progress UI app starting, and I'm immediately a host. And there's change there. Okay. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. When I'm uploading, kernel task. Bluetooth is off, but Bluetooth D is our process. Sharing D, sending down new services, commands. February the 12th, 2120. Okay. So none of these are showing anymore. Sending down new services. There's stream socket. Okay, Datagram stream sockets created since boot. IPv4, there's IPv6, sockets connected. It says 0 there, it says 0 here, and then it says IP534 IPv6 diagram sockets without data. 49 multicast joined since boot. Active process, I open the Mac and Wi-Fi is an active process. Right? No visible network. Data sent and received the minute I open the Mac. Wi-Fi is on. All the time. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. Safari using significant energy. And I must be uploading here because there's a lot of data moving out of the Mac like that, and it's smooth. Stalker is listening. He's always listening. Activity monitor using metal path. Don't know what that is. Dump request. Command center. Dump. There's IPv4, IPv6. Okay, there's Wi-Fi again. With no visible network when I open the Mac. Yep, same thing here. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. Data, no visible network, but data moving in and out of the Mac. There's 4 packets, 4 and 4 when running first aid. Sharing D, request a block until connected. So nothing works until Stalker is connected, just like the phone. Nothing works until he is connected. Okay, IPv4, IPv6, which I've documented. There's 1 of 2 will be used, 1 of 2 will be used, 1 of 2 will be used. I have 2 of everything. Okay, MRT, there's data moving. Okay, 92 and 92, but it's not showing here. Okay, MRT 63. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. There's control center. User, 0. Active importer country count. Airport D, core Wi-Fi. What is it? Receive, sent, and receive. Sent and received. Get global IPv4 INTF name. Data moving again, always moving, data always moving. To interface, 49 sockets, 4916 interface, and then one of two. One of two. One of two, I've got all of them. Which one is undefined? So there's stream here. And there is to interface. Okay, 10:06 p.m. Put that one away. Stream. There we go. Kernel task, #1 user of the Mac for the longest time, and then it changed. Once Stalker is done tampering with the computer. So 13:10, 31 seconds, not 51 minutes. Removing filtered services when there is Alright, so here's the local, all the local sockets. So it's local sockets and connections, I think. Okay, based on your question, if Mac is not connected, it's still reviewing. That would not be possible. Really? Okay. Not possible. Put that here with Jay, who says no. I should not have data without a connection. And then I have Carlos. 1, there's the questions I asked of him. And 2, it is in here. There. Same stuff. Safari here, Safari here. Tons of data moving the moment I go to disk utility. Lots of data moving. The question is wow. Wow. Cache delete volume. Yep, got that one. Sent from this host. Yep. 1 of 2, 1 of 2, 1 of 2, 1 of 2. Other, that's Stalker. Stalker is always with me when I'm at chat support. Stalker, 11 hours of use here. It says 11 here, and then it says 37 and 20. Got lots of you. Drain purge queue. MRT, number 1 user of the Mac. And as I've mentioned before, this one here is grayed out now. Okay. Grayed out means it's being used. Similar to Bluetooth. Similar to Bluetooth here. It's not grayed out there. Nope, not that one. But it's grayed out here. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac, which I've documented again and again. Genius. So nothing works on the Mac, basically. Yeah, there's my screen. My recording was, there are 2 folders of recording. One, they were in case number. They're all in there. And that's all disappeared because Stalker does what Stalker does. So I have to record my screen all the time. Yep, he's running diagnostic on my Mac. So that's the thumbnail for this recording here when I open my Mac. And this is what I saw. This is what my screen looked like. Okay, so I got up this morning and this is what my desktop looked like. Somebody has been fooling around with my computer. Yep, that's what my desktop looked like. And this is the recording. There's part 1, 2, 3, 4. Part 1, part 2. I have 5 of them now. Stalker keeps stopping my recording. There's screen time tampering in real time. So here it is, screen time at 9:04 p.m. and 9:09 p.m. At 9:04 p.m. it showed 1 hour 7 minutes of use, and then at 9:09 p.m. it shows 1 hour 13 minutes of use. Okay. With entertainment being 38 minutes now when it was 1 hour 7 minutes before. Right? 1 hour 7 minutes and 30 it changed to 38 minutes. So he can tamper with screen time. Yeah, this is the what should be in folder 2. Should be here. So I have to take screenshots of everything. Before there's kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. Right, and this is my upload, what it looks like. There's upload number 550. That's it playing, and it's fuzzy, wuzzy, wuzzy. That's what it looks like. Blurred. He blurs all my uploads. So more recording screenshots of what I have. That's pretty older one. Okay, Safari is always using significant energy, but it's kernel task and this thing here that's using significant energy, but they never show up here. Right? They never show up. It's kernel task. But here it says QuickTime on Safari. Now they're already uploaded. 53, 54. Anyway, he scrambles them all. I'll put this away. .550 is down here. It says checking 29%. That's new. Checking is new. Checking. So what happens is they're already uploaded. Okay, 54, 53 already uploaded 4 minutes ago, but they're still uploading. 54, I've documented it already, where it's easier to see. Launch D, common. Right, so there's YouTube that he doesn't want me to go to YouTube help. He doesn't want me to go to YouTube help. And it was after, so YouTube help was on the July 31st, and the night of July 31st was when everything changed on my desktop. Because August the 1st, here was when I woke up.
Okay, so I got up this morning and this is what my desktop looked like. Somebody has been fooling around.
That's what my desktop looked like. All right. IPv4, IPv6. Put that there. Yeah, this is the same kernel task number 1 user of the Mac. And what's the second one? System sound server D. He's always listening to everything I say. but that's not in order. He shuffled them around. This one he shuffled around. All right, networking, same as usual. Where are my screenshots? There's a whole bunch missing. Client entitled for destructive operation. There we go. This one host at setup. That's destructive there. Notification 1 and it will not show. Right? I don't need any more. I got millions of them. Millions, I tell you, millions. Kernel task, #1 user of the Mac. Kernel task, #1 user of the Mac. Videos already. Okay, here we go. 550. Uploaded 33 minutes ago, but still uploading. 549, uploaded 35 minutes ago, but still uploading. 548, uploaded 35 minutes ago, but still uploading. 547, it's not in the screenshot, it's back there. 546, and look, he switched. They're all in order. He switched, he scrambled them, and he put 545 at the top. Okay, so already uploaded. Notes, found persistent store for account ID is a local account. It's a local account. Okay. Yep, it's a local account. 15 pickups, but only 3 are showing. Okay, there's 15 pickups here, but only 3 are showing on July 31st, 9/24. July 34th, okay, it's the same thing, same day, but have a million of them. And yeah, and so I have 210 screenshots in this folder that is recorded here in the recordings of my jumbled up desktop that Stalker terminated and shuffled around. And so I have 210 screenshots. I compressed it, sent it to myself via email. My other email could not access because Stalker changed verification code to be received via voicemail, not text. And voicemail the phone did not ring. Anyways, markup, phone did not ring, so I am attaching a file, and it's all going to Safari networking. Okay, all of it going to Safari networking. There we go. All of it going to Safari networking. And console was using significant energy. So then I had to quit console. What's this one here? I quit console. See, there's console using significant energy. Now, why would that happen? And there's console again using significant energy. #1 user of the Mac. Somebody's been tampering with console. 2-step verification, and so I had to go to this is when I tried to get into this account, my email, and it would not let me because it's now via message. Phone did not ring. He does it all the time. The phone does not ring. If I'm telling people to call me at 2 o'clock, for sure the phone will not ring at 2 o'clock. Okay, active processes, MDY sync. There's data moving, but no visible network. Remote Advisor app is using significant energy. I'm not connected to Safari. A Remote Advisor app is not here. Account summary is disabled. Okay, so there's my profile picture on July 14th, and then he removed it and then he replaced it. So some of these do not have thumbnails, or but some of them do. All of these have thumbnails right now. Yeah. One hour 16 minutes, 1 hour 6 minutes, not here. Remote Advisor app is not in app folder. There's two text edit. Remote Advisor is not anywhere to be found. It's not in my folder. It's not in the download folder. It's not anywhere. Except for always allowed in screen time. So it keeps shuffling all the time. There's my profile picture. Power D is a constant. There's console using significant energy today. And diagnostic D. I did not run diagnostic today, August 2nd. Yep, somebody's running diagnostic on my Mac. There's kernel task now, and it's at the bottom, and it's still showing a 0. Yep, somebody's running diagnostic on my Mac. That's nothing new. 25, 21, and 3 does not add up to 1 hour 14 minutes. But I have a billion of them. Did I say million before? No, it's a billion. It's a billion. Yeah, nobody emails me. Email to Apple. Yep, data always moving in and out of the Mac. There's report crash. New sign in. And there's seated at Toronto, and it has changed. Two-step verification. Call the phone. Cannot find eligible device. Okay, so I saw bag P list. that holds the servers that iMessages account should be logging into. So it's hacked via iMessages. Alright, will engineering actually review the screenshots? Da 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 da. She did not respond. Report crash again. When people send me stuff, this is what it looks like. Remote D. Two hours 21 minutes, and this is what it says. There's other, a stalker. Other, stalker, 11 hours of use, 11 hours 2 minutes. It just doesn't add up. Report crash. Okay, so stalker is always with me, right, stalker? Oh, these are no longer grayed out. Amazing. Okay, they're not grayed out. So let's see data moving. $84, $83, $83 for spin dump, $891. $98. $353, $361, $117, $99, $99, $99 for footprint. $98, $98, $99. No data moving yet. Ah, there we go. 4. There's 3 of them that moves. 1, 2, and 1 more. There we go. 3 of them. Every time I run diagnostic. $290 for iRegister. 98, 98, 98 iRegister. 198, 322. Report crash, report crash, report crash is there, report crash, report crash, report crash. MDNS responder, sending and receiving a lot of data. Ah, somebody has been running diagnostic on my computer again with this thing here. There's more data moving. Constant diagnostic on the Mac. Okay, somebody's constantly running diagnostic on the Mac. And that. And that. Kernel panics. Okay. A lot of data moving. A lot of data moving. And of course, stock 120, 118 spin dump, 87, 86, 87, 88, 87, 89, 56. Okay, all those are spin dump. And stocker, you forgot to ask for a password. $94. So every time I plug it in, it becomes brighter. When I unplug it, it becomes dark. I plug it in, and it becomes bright. Now, 97%, so 3% of power. Oh, more. There we go. There's 3. $306, $105, $106, $156, $118 for core capture D, $96, $98, $95, $87, $65 for core capture D, $90, $91, $97 spin dump. You're still here? Okay, I'll leave you there. All right, let's see what Stalker is up to. More data moving. Okay. Errors. Unable to open device. Operation not permitted. Disk 3 S1 is not available. Undefined error. More data moving. Not a directory. Operation not permitted. Invalid host. NVRAM are all error. Everything in NVRAM, common data not found. Everything in NVRAM is error. Spin dump. Focusing on power D. Power D is a problem. Data moving. Tailspin. So we have a date here. Today's date. Command center. State dump completed. State dump completed. Yep. Okay. App tracker. Sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Deleted. Sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Not blocking, already connected. Command center. Client, private. Command center. Command center. Command center. Lots of command center. Data moved. Right there. Lots of command center. Sharing D. Not blocking, connected. Bluetooth D. Prevent user ID idle sleep. This KMUTIL is new. Remove session. %97 charge. Console is using significant energy. Nope. Console is not using significant energy. Console is using significant energy, it says. Is data moving? Tampering in progress. Backup helper. Okay. remove session. For disk arbitration D, remove session, lots of remove session. Remove session. DM manager, lots of remove session. Okay, all tasks done. A client, need to look up or create that for client. What does it mean? What are you creating for me?